We joined NARI a number of years ago, and our primary intention was just to foster community, to have good relationships with other contractors and vendors in the area, and to be able to share some of our work experiences and learn best practices. Along the way, we've met some of our trade partners. It's really important to us that we're able to help people who call us find the right resource that is right for them and their project. And NARI's been great for that. With community that we have in the NARI North Texas chapter is also accountability. And I find that this is one of the most important things for homeowners. What to know about NARI is NARI holds its members to a code of ethics. It is the only nationally recognized accreditation for the type of work we do.